man follows. That's just the way it's got to be.
What's going on, Skid? I just got back from Fort Lauderdale. Spent a week there visiting the in-laws, and I wanted to shoot a video. I just put on a new tailgate bed cover yesterday. The old one was it was sagging, like water would collect here. It was like a mini swimming pool, and the weight pulled this apart, so it started leaking real bad. It was great for about a year and a half. It didn't leak, but it started leaking, and I put some caulk right here, and I said, well, you know, I wonder if they'll send me a new one. So I took some pictures of the caulk I had to run, and pictures of the leak, and BakFlip was all like, oh, that's not our cover. That looks nothing like our cover. And I was like, you kidding me? So I took a freaking video showing their logo and then all the caulk that I did and how it was pooling, and they said, okay, we'll send you a new one. So that's the backstory. So this is brand new. I just put it on yesterday, just like I did the first one. The first one was great. Didn't leak for a year and a half. So here's the moment of truth. There's water. It's leaking. Brand new bed cover. I'm crawling up in here. There's the leak. It's dripping from there. So this has nothing to do with the way I installed it. I installed it just like I did the first one, and the first one didn't leak for a good year and a half. It's coming from that screw right there. This comes on it. It's already on the bed. You don't even install that. It just comes on it. BakFlip, what kind of bootleg operation y'all got going here? Jeez. So maybe I can back that screw out and put some sealant in it and then screw it back in. I don't know. Brand new, guys, right out of the box. Just installed it yesterday. And it's doing it on that side too. Same spot on that side. You see the bag is wet. Look at that. Running right out of here. This is where it folds. Look at that. That's what you have to pull down to get the flap over, and it gets caught up in there, so you can't pull it. Leaking from right there. This has nothing to do with the install. This is the bed that you lay over into the tracks. Terrible, man. Everything's fine along the rails that I installed. Nothing's coming in through the sides. It's all coming in through the middle. I just put this thing in yesterday, man. Look at all the water. Look at that. Look at that. Look at those gaps. Does that look watertight? That's about where it's leaking too, underneath, right there. It's getting in through there. Brand new, guys. 800 bucks. Look at that. Does that look watertight? Garbage. I mean, I keep thousands of dollars in tools back here, man. I can't be having that. And the first one was leaking all over my tool bag, all over this, dude. This was soaked from the first one. I mean, look at the water, man. There's water everywhere. And it'd be one thing if it was, you know, $100, $150. I'd be like, okay, a little water, you get what you pay for. But guys, this thing was $800. That's how much I paid for the first one. This one they sent for free after I had to show them, like, hey, this is your product. You know, after they're like, oh, that ain't our BakFlip. That's not ours. That looks nothing like ours. $800, guys. So yeah, I just wanted to warn all you guys, if you want a bed cover, I know a lot of us maintenance guys drive trucks and we want to cover our tools, don't go with BakFlip. It's garbage. Go with something better.